Now we will learn one of the simplest method of Vedic mathematics in multiplication. See just. Suppose here we have got one example. It is 1234 multiplied by 9999. Here, if we will observe this example, we will understand that out of those two given numbers, one number is greatest number. We know all greatest number is what? 9 is one digit greatest number, 99 is two digit greatest number. In the same way, 999 is three digit greatest number, 9999 is four digit greatest number, and so on. So if out of those two given numbers, if one number is greatest number, then this multiplication, this type of multiplication we can complete within just 4 to 5 seconds. See just how we can do it. Okay, so while writing answer, we have to write first part of our answer. So what can we do? The first number, whatever is apart from the greatest number, that we are writing in the downside just by lessing 1. Means we will write this number 1, 2, 3, 3. What did we do here? This 1, 2, 3, 4. All the digits we wrote here, but last one digit means we subtracted 1 from this given number and created number we wrote here 1, 2, 3, 3. It was 1, 2, 3, 4, but we wrote 1, 2, 3, 3 by lessing 1 here. Here one imaginary cross line I want to put for my understanding, and then to write the further part of the answer, I want to subtract all those 4 digits from 9, 9, 9, 9. That's it. So here 9 minus 1 is 8, 9 minus 2 is 7, 9 minus 3 is 6, and 9 minus 3 is 6. So finally we got answer 1 crore 23 lakh 38,776. Here one more time we will repeat this answer example, so we will get more understanding. Out of this is 4 digit number and this is 4 digit greatest number. In this situation means one of given two numbers is greatest number. In this situation, to find the answer of multiplication, find the product of both, what to do? Apart from greatest number, which is number, that number as it is to write just by subtracting 1 from it. So from the first number I am writing here 1, 2, 3, 3. It is 4, so I wrote 3, you know it. So one imaginary line I want to put, and then all those 4 digits I want to subtract from 9, 9, 9, 9 to write the answers further part. So 9 minus 1 is 8, 9 minus 2 is 7, 6 and 6. So this answer I just now got here. So it's not matter, just it should be 4 digit only. Let it be 5 digit, 3 digit, 6 digit, 7 digit, whatever digits, still we can solve in this speed. One more example we are taking, so your understanding would be more clear. Now the example is 34,937 and now it is 5 digit number. Okay, so here I am going to multiply with 5 digit greatest number. So it is 99,999. It is also 5 digit, it is also 5 digit. So let us multiply it. So what to do? First number as it is to write just by lessing 1. So here I am going to write 3, 4, 9, 3 and 6. I didn't write 7. I wrote 7 here because I subtracted 1 from it. Then now answers further part I want to write just by subtracting all those digits from 999. 9 minus 3, 6. 9 minus 4, 5, 0, 6 and 3. That's my answer. 349 crore 36 lakh 65,063. Yeah, here one more condition may be there. Suppose here is 5 digit greatest number, but here is 4 digit number. What is the situation? Out of those two given numbers, one is 5-digit greatest number, but another one number is 4-digit. In this situation, what to do? Very simple. Okay, it is 5-digit, so let's make it 5-digit just by adding one 0 here. So now for us, this number digits are 0, 3, 4, 9, 3, and 8 we have put 0 here. Value has not changed of this number, so no problem. Now we are going to solve the multiplication example. Now write all the digits including 0 as it is just by lessing 1. So I am going to write here 0, 3, 4, 9, 2. I subtracted 1 from it. Now to write the answers further part, subtract all those digits from 999. 9 minus 0 is 9, 6, 5, 0 and 7. So this is my answer now. 34 crore 92 lakh 96,507. Here again to understand, here was one number was 5-digit which was greatest number, and another number was 4-digit. So what did we do? By adding 0, we make it 5-digit number for our understanding, and from that 5-digit number we subtracted 1 to write answers left part, and then by regular method, by subtracting all those digits including 0, we subtracted from 9 to get the answers further part. One more such type of example we are taking, so then your understanding would be more clear. Now suppose here is the example 1000. Here is the example 1234 multiplied by 9,99,999. Okay, here is what? Here are 4-digit, here are 6-digit, here is 6-digit greatest number. Okay, no problem. Let's make it 6-digit by adding 2 zeros. So now it is also 6-digit for our understanding, and then now we are going to multiply it. So first number we are writing just by subtracting, just by lessing 1. It is 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 3. And further part writing all the digits we are subtracting from 9. 9 minus 0, 9. 9 minus 0, 9. 9 minus 1, 8. 9 minus 2, 7. 9 minus 3, 6. 9 minus 3, 6. This is my answer. So here two conditions we solved. In the first condition, our numbers had same digits. Here were 4-digit, here were also 4-digit. Then secondly, just now we solve here more digits in greatest number and less digit in another number. Now here would be one different condition. Here is what? Suppose here in greatest number there are less digits. In greatest number there are less digit, and in another number there are more than greatest there are digits more than greatest number. For example, here what are we understanding? Firstly we will take simple example. Suppose here we have taken 123 multiplied by 99. Here greatest number have 2 digits only, and another number have 3 digits. So in this situation our solving would be little bit different and so simple. Okay, what are we doing? So here we are imagining how many digits are in greatest number? 2 digits. That is to keep in mind. Now just see how to write if it is 2-digit number. Okay, so I am writing here 1 from the 123, and I am putting this colon sign, and then writing 23, and then writing 23. Okay, means here in the 99 2 digits are there. So out of this given 2 number, here are 2 digits. So out of this given number, 2 digits I kept in the right side of the column. That is it. Okay, now put a line, and then those 23 again write, those 23 again write here. Okay, it is first step. Firstly, what did we do? Here are 2 digits. So from the given number, 2 digits we keep in the colon, and rest of digits we put in the left side. Okay, then secondly what we did, this 23, whatever number you have wrote in after the colon, that only same number again wrote here. And now third one step, what is in the left of the colon, we are looking 1, so add 1 in that. So it is 1 plus 1, whatever number is there in that add 1. Suppose here is 13, so add 1 in the 13 and write here 14. Here is 1, so add 1 in this and write here 2. Now here what to do, simply this number we are subtracting from 100. Now what is the criteria to subtract from 100? Here are 99, means here suppose for our understanding just only, here are 2 digit wala 10, 100, 1000, 10,000 like that. So here we are subtracting this 23 from, else then don't think anything, just only keep in mind the rule, for this number last number you subtract from 10, last digit you subtract from 10, rest of digits you subtract from 9, that's it, don't keep anything. Okay, so here what to do, last from 10, 10 minus 3 is 7 and rest of 9, 9 minus 2 7, that's it, to write this. Okay, now furtherly what to do, from this number you should subtract this one, 23 minus 2 21, and this number as it is to write, this is the answer. Okay, again we are going to understand, so we will easily clear this example solving method. Okay, here is 3 digit number and greatest number have 2 digits only. In this situation what to do, write this number in this way, 1 colon 23. Then after colon we wrote 2 digits of the number, because here are 2, here is 2 digit greatest number. Then what did we do, here the part after colon what is there, that is 23, that again we wrote here 23, and what is here, number 1 we are looking, so we added 1 in that, so 1 and 1 2 we wrote here. Now here is 23, so last digit we subtracted from 10, so we got 10 minus 3 7, and then rest of digits from 9, so 9 minus 2 7 we got here, and then this 2 we subtracted from this, so we got 21, and this one as it is we wrote. This is the method. Okay, one more example we are taking, so then our understanding would be more clear by solving it. Suppose now here is 1327 multiplied by 99. Okay, so here also same method, here are 2 digits in the greatest number, here are 2 digits in the greatest number. So what to do, I am just writing 13 colon and 27, here are 2 digits, so I kept 2 digits from the number here. Okay, now I am putting a line, and that same 22 I want to write, 27 I want to write here, and here is 13, I am looking 13, so I want to add 1 it, 13 and 1 14 I want to write here to subtract from it. Okay, so this, for this what, subtract 10 minus 7 3, 9 minus 2 7, last from 10, rest of all the digits from 999, so here I got 73, and now this subtraction, 7 minus 4 3, 2 minus 1 1, and this 13 as it is to write, answer is 1,31,373. It is very simple for us now. Okay, one more example now we are going to solve. Suppose the example is same, but only we are multiplying it with 3 digit greatest number. Now for us example is what, 1327 multiplied by 999. Okay, according to our rule what are we thinking now, greatest number have 3 digits, so after colon we should keep 3 digits from the number. Okay, so I am placing it 1 colon 3 2 7. Now I am putting a line, and that's number 3 2 7 I want to put here, 3 2 7, and here is 1, so add 1 in that, 1 plus 1 2 I want to write here, that's it. Now this writing this here, last from 10, rest from 9. 10 minus 7, 3, 7, 6. And here subtraction is very easy. 7 minus 2, 5, 2, 3, and 1 to 1. This is our answer. Yeah, so simple. Okay, so means again one more condition we will study, that will also very easy for us. Suppose now here is example 200, example is 23,782 multiplied by 9. Okay, now here are two digits in the greatest number, so those two digits we should keep after the colon. So I am placing it 237 in the left side I am putting, and 82 I am writing after colon, and then again after this line, this part of the number 82 again I want to write here, and then here this is 237, add 1 in it, so it would become 238, that to write here. But here are two digits, and from two digits, 3 digits subtraction is not possible. So in this way you can do, to write 238 you can write 2 here and 38 here. Okay, so now we are going, keep in mind how did we wrote, here is 237, we add 1 in it, so it became 238. So here are two digits, so only two digits from 238 we wrote below the 82, and rest of digit 2 we wrote here. Okay, now we are completing subtraction. Now last from 10, 8, rest from 9, 9 minus 8, 1. Okay, now here also subtraction. Here are two methods of subtraction, but afterwards I will teach you. Okay, here is 4 and 4. Okay, and then here this 2 also has to subtract. 7 minus 2, 5, 3 and 2. This is our answer. Here what did we do? Just key point to understand. Here we had got 238. Only two digit we kept below this number, and rest of the digit we place in the left of the colon, and then that also we subtracted from 82, and this remained 2 we subtracted from this number to get the answer. Okay, one more this type of example we will solve, so our understanding would be little bit more clear. Now example is 4,582 multiplied by 999. Here now 4 digit multiplied by 3 digit greatest number. So here those 3 digits I want to put after colon. So it is now 4 colon 582. So here that 582 I want to write again here 582, and here is 4, so 4 plus 1 5 I want to write here for subtraction, and then I want to continue. Now this I want to for this I want to write a number last from 10, rest from 9. 10 minus 2, 8, 1, 4. Okay, now here this to subtract. Okay, so I will subtract 7, 7, 5, and this 4 as it is to write. Yeah, again to drill it back again. So it was this greatest number was 3 digit, it had 4 digits, so after colon we put those 3 digits from this number after the colon. It was 582. That 582 again we wrote here, and here in the left of colon 4 left, so 4 added 1 in that, so became 5, and that 5 I wrote here. Then this we subtracted from 1000, we got this, and then this 5 we subtracted from 582, we got 577, and that 4 as it is we wrote here. Now one more different example we can solve from this method, that is 23,712 multiplied by 99. Okay, now here two digits are there in the greatest number, so only those two digits I will keep after the colon. Okay, so now here 2 3 7 I wrote, colon 1 2, then here a line is there, then that 12 as it is I want to write here, and now this 237 I want to write here. So you know, I should add 1, so it will become 238. So out of 238 I want to write 38 here and 2 here. That method already you learnt. Okay, now subtraction is being started. Okay, now it is to subtract from 100, so 10 minus 2 8, 9 minus 1 8. Let it. Now here again, here is a little bit confusion for us. We cannot subtract 38 from the 12. 38 from the 12 because 12 is less than 8. Okay, so in this situation what to do? We have to one borrow from the left side. So if we would borrow, it would become 112. And so what is the method to return back the borrow? Immediately place here -1. Here 12 was smaller than 38, so we couldn't subtract 38 from the 12, so we borrowed 1 from that side. So we borrowed 1, added here, it became 112, and then we borrowed 1, so that borrowed immediately we place here. It means actually this was -2, means we have put this 2 to subtract from it, and also one more 1 we are here put to subtract from it. Okay, now here we have to subtract 38 from 12, so our answer is 74. Yeah, and here then this 2 and this 1 togetherly, this 3 I want to subtract from this number, so here I will get 4 3 2. This is the method. Again, to understand what did we do to solve this example, here greatest number had 2 digits, so only 2 digits from this bigger number we put after the colon. Those were, okay, I will rub it and again I will write. Okay, so we wrote 12 here and 237 here in that side. Okay, so now we put a line, this 12 again we wrote here, and then this is 237, so I want to write it 238, so I am writing after the colon, here I am writing 2 and here I am writing 38. Then here 12 I subtracted from 10, it became 8 and 8 38, and now 38 I couldn't subtract from 12, so I should borrow from left side, so borrowed, so 12 became 112 and borrowed 1, so immediately I want to put one -1 here, and this is also negative, I just told to you. Now the subtraction is going on, so subtraction I just doing, and here this 2 and 1 3 I want to subtract from 7, so it is becoming 4 3 and 2. That's it. This is the method. So any number you can subtract by greatest number. If out of those two given, one is greatest number, so within 5 to 6 seconds you can solve the example. This is beauty of Vedic mathematics. In traditional way, if you are going to solve a 7-digit into 7-digit number, definitely it would take 1 or 2 or 3 minutes. But here within 6 to 7 seconds, such like 7 to 8-digit numbers multiplication we can do. Thank you.